is going on, guys? Zuggy Fishing here, back to you with another video. So today we are out on the ice, local pond in New Jersey, with my man Rob over here, and we're trying to find a spot to put a hole and see if we could drop down some little jigs, see if we can get some ice bass or bluegill, but not seeming to have any luck here. Yeah, definitely over there. So don't try this at home because it's like, I'm pretty sure it's like 45 50 degrees out. We're out on the ice, but it's pretty solid. We're in the middle right now, and it nothing's cracking, so we're good right now. Yeah, that's definitely water. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Well, don't get too close. But yeah, guys, so we're gonna try to get a hole, and we're also gonna try to lure hunt. And we're trying to get some lures out on the ice because this structure over here has come here many years, collects and just collects lures. So we are going to try to make a hole, collect some lures. Let's do it. Just cracked. Oh shit, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Holy crap. That was so scary. Oh my god. Oh my god, Rob's stuff is still, oh my god, my heart is pounding right now. I was so, oh my god. I was so scared. Guys, so what basically happened was, like, we heard like that sound, like when you like throw a rock or something on the ice and it makes like that skidding sound, but we heard it just electrically go through the pond, and it was definitely starting to thaw and break down. So now we're gonna go back on, but Rob's stuff is there. It just is pulling this little tackle right now, but this is very nerve-wracking. But yeah, I'm really scared right now. Rob's on it right now. All right, let's watch this. Rob. Oh, you hear that thing? Guys, hear that? Wait, do it again. Hear that, guys?
Oh, maybe I can like.
It's kind of like, oh, you just made a hole.
Oh my god, I gotta enter through back over there.
Oh god. Oh my god, this is insane. Rob's stuff is in the middle of the pond.
Give me a fishing pole.
All right.
I have an idea. This is not gonna work.
Just brought the little Guggen Squad box.
I don't think this is gonna work. Maybe.
This is definitely not gonna work.
Shit.
This is fun though.
Like slide across, you know what I mean?
Yeah. We might have to go back to the other side.
It's not gonna work.
Yeah, this is definitely. Oh, there we go. Yeah, the sun's shining. Yeah, this is. Yeah, why did we do this? How thick is it?
I think it's only right here that's like cracking.
Yeah, because that side's shaded and seems solid. All right, I think we have to go to the other side. Oh god. All right, here we go, guys. If you hear that sound, just get off immediately. All right, I think you're good. Oh, this is scary. Come on, Rob, you got this. Oh! If you hear it again, just run. This is pretty sketchy, guys. I don't know why we did this. All right, let's go, Rob. Trying the army crawl. All right, I think he's got it. Yeah. You walking to the other side? Yeah. I am walking to the. Shall I walk around?
No, come through for the views.
For the views. I'm not gonna get past this. All right, guys, this is really stupid. Do not do this. Should I do it?
Do
No. Alright guys, leave a comment down below, should I do it? Alright guys, so I chickened out here. Really did not want to go through the ice, but Rob was brave enough to go through the ice. Sorry for the bad audio. Wind really picking up here. But so Rob got his stuff. We are going to try to carve a hole, even though we do not have an ice drill, cause you know, I don't have an ice drill handy on me right now. We're attempting to cross the lake pond actually, and if Rob crosses it, I'll cross it. It's sturdy. Alright guys, so we're crossing the pond, just trying to scoot out of it as fast as I possibly can. So this pond, as you see me in all, like most of the Zuggy fishing videos, has not been known to produce bass in cold weather. So there's not a lot of fish in this pond, but there is big fish. Definitely give you that. There's big fish. Is that frozen? I bet there's so many lures in there. Are we on it right now? Yeah, because that's tight. I wonder if that's frozen. It's not that deep. It's only like, I'd say about 8 inches. Yeah, it's good. That's like, it's so cool. I love that bait. This summer. Also Canada. Yeah, that's a spinnerbait. I see a spinner. There's a green spinnerbait right there. Yeah, let's get that spinnerbait. Oh yeah, might be my spinnerbait. Not gonna lie, but oh, that is a spinnerbait. I thought it was a bobber. Oh, there's two spinnerbait. No, Rob, that's a whopper flopper. Yeah, you could have it. You could have it. No, that's sick. All right, let's get over there. It's right behind. Yeah, I'll come with you. So that's a spinnerbait. Oh, that's mine. That's so sick. Wait, is it mine? No, that is not my spinnerbait. Looks exactly like the one I have, but it is not mine.
Where's the other lure?
Little spinnerbait. It's back. It's green. See it?
Oh, Testicle Tuesdays. How do I not see this?
Neon, right there. See it? Is that a leaf?
I think it's a leaf.
Oh, it's a leaf. It's a leaf. Let's look through all this brush. There has to be lures in here. Unless that guy picked them up. That lives over there. Plus numerous lures in this body. Or in this brush. Yeah.
Oh, so he's the one who keeps this open.
Yeah, he keeps it open. He cuts it down every winter. Yes, it is. Yeah.
You want it?
Yeah, I have sticks.
Right here.
No way.
Let's go back.
Me and Rob are gonna play some hockey. All right. Wait. Let's see if it's frozen. Cause this looks weird. Is there any lures?
We were also like 3 times over here one time in like April.
Yeah.
Crazy. Yeah. Seems to be okay. Usually this ice.
Cause it's in the dead center of the pond.
Yeah, it's starting to melt.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Do you hear the sound?
Should be okay.
Let's just have like a pass. Yeah.
Want to go?
Yeah, sure. All right, guys. Adventures of fishing. You always find other things.
Let's go have a pass.
Yeah. So just have a pass. And then you always find other things when the fish aren't biting or you can't find any lures. So we got our hockey sticks. We're ready to go. Here we go, guys. Playing some hockey. Good stuff. Yeah, just shovel all that out. All right. Ha! There we go. What? It's probably gonna snap. Oh, we could take these shovels and just make a little area. It'll take a second. Little area. Get off. Oh my God, get off. Oh my God. Oh God, thank you. Jeez, oh, that was a close one.
All those Dougie Fish fans out there. Oh, is this time lapse?
Time lapse, yeah. All right, do a real video.